Hello, my name is Chuck York. I'm Director of Product Management and Sales Operations here at Johnson Supply in Houston, Texas. We're a large wholesale heating and air conditioning and refrigeration distributor, and we've been using Wishtree since 2007 or 8, one of the two. They started off with I had developed an Excel file for pricing air conditioning systems at the kitchen table for our contractors. And I took it as far as I could in Excel and realized we needed to go web-based with it. And so I hired Wishtree due to a couple of reasons. Offshore, for one thing, and the price was much, much better than I could get it done here in the States. That was the first project they worked on. The second one was a project of taking our price to the contractor and digitalizing it, which became our website to this day. I'd encourage you to check it out at www.johnsonsupply.com. Wishtree's been fantastic work for. I've referred them to so many companies. It's been an amazing partnership. Thank you and have a good day.